Let's make a cute Christmas tree cupcake. I'm using a small star tip to pipe out the tree. Then we're gonna use some pastel rainbow sprinkles. And here's our little star sprinkle on top, and we're done! It's so cute! Let's make some cute melted snowman cupcake. We're gonna use some frosting to make the melted snowman part, jumbo marshmallow for his head. I used some melted chocolate to make the face and the little nose and then the little arms. And then that's it! He's so cute! Let's make a Christmas wreath cupcake. I've been seeing this trick with cupcakes a lot. It makes it super easy to get a clean and flat frosted surface on the cupcake. You just have to make sure you put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes so it's easy to peel off. I used a cookie cutter to help me make an outline, pipe my frostings, put the sprinkles, and then I'm done! Let's make cute reindeer cupcakes. Lob some buttercream and flip them for a neat flat surface, freeze for about 15 minutes. Now we pipe on the nose, eyes, smiley face, and antlers. Ta-da! And we're done! So cute!